Hey folks, I'm Bill Langer. You're watching Traditional Ventures TV. It's December 2023. I'm down in Florida with my buddy Donovan. We are chasing hogs and whitetails. The weather's not cooperating, but we're hitting it hard. I'd like to thank you for joining us. That's a pile of pigs. Mostly sows and little ones.
It's December 13th. We got a windy day today. Looking for hog or deer today. It's cloudy with a chance of rain. We had some really good action in this stand yesterday. I saw hogs, turkey, deer, otter. So we hope to have the same type of action today. I'd like to thank Bill Langer for having me down here. Just love this place. If anybody has a chance to ever get here, I suggest you do so. So we're just going to sit back here and enjoy things and see how we do.
Blind early. We've got heavy rains coming this afternoon, this evening, heavy winds and rain tomorrow, so hopeful that the deer and hogs move early today. We'll see. We've got about half an hour before it gets light. Hopefully they hit the feeders. We'll see what happens. Trying to stay dry as well in the big blind here. It's that big healthy sow that's pregnant and a boar that I saw the other day on another stand in the evening. They're just too big to shoot. I'm looking for something smaller for the frying pan. We got another day and a half left, so maybe we'll make it happen. We'll see. Stay to the left. Right here. We'll stay right in these tracks. So you can't hear us as much. Right here. I'd stand right here. Right where you, well, whatever. I'd come back here. Come back right here. Go up here. No, I try to get him going down the edge of the water. Slow down. So there's the one you want right out front. Let's go right at the bowl. Where? The one you want's right out front. It's the second black one right now.
That's awesome. Can't wait to eat this.
Well, there's some good hams right there.
Got him a little far forward, right?
Took him right off his feet.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thanks. Got him right out in the open, too. It's Bill Langer's ranch here in Florida. This is, I think, the fourth time I've been down. Always a lot of action here. We've been going primarily for deer on this hunt, but we had some time to do midday stalk, and we got on this group of hogs, and our third attempt we were successful, so can't thank them enough. This is the mid-December hunt, early Christmas present. We're going to bring this back to camp and make a couple of lunches and dinners out of this. I'm curious. All right. Time to get them cleaned up, get them into the cooler.
Time to get it on the hanging pole.
All right.
Good?
Yep.
I'm gonna poke you in the eyeball.
I got my safety glasses on.
Rains are coming.
Patience, right?
Yeah. I got my Broken Arrow podcast shirt on. All right, we're gonna slow cook some pork. Donnie shot that pig the other day and we got some nice hams out of them. Cook them up with some onion and bacon. This onion and bacon down. As soon as that's cooked down, we'll add the other vegetables. If you're smart, and grab some pre-cut carrots. So now I just gotta cut some celery and Donnie's favorite, mushrooms. Make sure we can't have a meal without them. Best smell in camp right there, bacon and onions. Well, the bacon and onions are starting to brown up. They're looking good, so now I'm gonna grab the mushrooms here. And cut these in half and then we'll start adding the other vegetables. In. Carrots in there. Celery. Now this is going to take 3 to 4 hours minimum. So what we'll do is we'll put the potatoes in when there's about an hour left, because otherwise the potatoes will way overcooked and just disintegrate. So now, throw the meat in here. Other one in. I'll turn the heat down in a little bit here. This will just slow cook, like I said, for 3 to 4 hours. Heat down. Cover on. I'll let her go. Go do some more camp chores and come back and have a feast. All right, this is progressing nicely. Come on over and take a look. Looking perfect. So we're going to add the potatoes now. Give it another 20 minutes, half hour maybe. Those steamed up and we will be eating good. Looking forward to that. Nice fresh organic pork from the 101. All right, I think we're done. Cut a potato. Yep. I've been stirring it here. The meat's come all apart. Fall off the bone. Cut it with a plastic spoon. It's going to be absolutely delicious. That's good chowder there. Look how it falls right off the bone. You just peel it off with a plastic fork. Organic pork. Good eats right there.
Fresh pork. Wow, look at that. That is super soft. Everything looks awesome. This is a tested recipe here. Can't wait to dig in.
Right. That size is the best eat.
Right.
My favorite way to eat wild pork. Slow cooked like this with a barbecue on it. Pork like this, I'm surprised there's any running around anymore.
I had my doubts when I started pig hunting years ago. Now, oh my God. These pigs taste great.
Yeah. The big boars can be a little rank, but turn them into sausage. But you shoot a pig under 100 pounds, there's nothing better.